Hello friends, myself Dr. Tapush Kumar Pal, and today we'll learn another TheraBand exercises mainly for the scapular muscles and the scapular muscles for the protectors and the retractors. So mainly we'll be learning now for the three fibers of the trapezius, that's for the trapezius upper fiber, trapezius middle fiber and trapezius lower fiber. So let us know how to strengthen the trapezius muscle. Before that, I request all of you, those who are seeing this video, to subscribe this channel so that we can make so many other educational videos so that all the physios will be benefited and all the real professionals will be benefited. So I just request everyone to subscribe this channel. Now let us learn how to strengthen the upper trap, middle trap and the lower trap using a TheraBand. Come. So first we will be learning for the upper trapezius. So let us see how we will be using this TheraBand. So for that, just make the patient to be seated over a chair. You can use a couch. And what we will do, we will just hold the TheraBand and we will just tie up over the shoulder joint. So how it will be? We just tie it the TheraBand over the shoulder joint and let us see how we will stabilize. Your one hand will be over here and another hand will be holding from the down. And you need to give the instruction to the patient to shrug his shoulder. That means the patient will lift up his shoulder joint upward. It will look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we learned now to strengthen the upper trapezius muscle, whose main action to shrug the shoulder, that means shrugging of the shoulder, that's the function. Now we will learn for the mid trapezius or the middle fiber of the trapezius. Now we will learn for the mid trapezius, and for the mid trapezius how to do. Let us see. Again, make the patient to be seated over a couch and just you will instruct the patient to hold a TheraBand. We'll be using this type of TheraBand for strengthening the middle trapezius muscle. And let us see, the patient will hold both the side of the TheraBand using both the hand, and at the same time you instruct the patient to lift up the elbow joint at the same level of the acromion process. This is very important because most of the patients, they cannot hold the elbow joint at the level of the acromion process and slowly it will down. So the instruction, it's supposed to be the elbow joint, it's supposed to be in a straight line with the acromion process, and slowly you will instruct the patient to keep his or her elbow backward and it's supposed to be at together. The patient. And the time they will come back till over here. They will not come back over here, that's the wrong way. So the right way of doing these exercises is, it will go back and come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we learned the strengthening exercises for the mid trapezius or the middle fiber of the trapezius. At the same time, you need to remember the time you will be strengthening the middle fiber of the trapezius, at the same time you are strengthening the rhomboideus minor muscle. So this exercise will help to strengthen the middle fiber of the trapezius and at the same time it will help to strengthen the rhomboideus minor muscle. Now the next muscle, that is for the lower fiber of the trapezius or the trapezius lower fiber. At the same time you can strengthen the rhomboideus major muscle. So let us know how to strengthen the rhomboideus major and the lower fiber of the trapezius muscle. We'll just make the patient to hold both the end of the TheraBand in this position and we will instruct the patient to abduct the arm. Just go for the 15 degrees of the abduction position, and in this position we will instruct the patient to go for a extension bilateral. So this is exactly how the lower fiber of the trapezius and the rhomboideus major muscle can be strengthened at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So thanks for seeing this video. If you like the procedures of doing the exercises, please do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.